Hi, I'm Matt Morrow. I'm here getting stem cells again. So about 3 years ago, I teared my meniscus on my left knee, went to 3 different doctors. All the doctors wanted to do a surgery. Did some research online, came here, got 1 injection, and I was good to go. Same thing happened now 3 years later on my right knee, and came back getting I just got 50 billion on my right and 25 billion on my left. Just the left one is really not a problem, but I'm gonna train to do a triathlon, so I just want to make sure that I'm gonna be good with it. So my experience is no surgery. Surgery was, 80% of the chances that it worked out, but there was still 20% that it wouldn't work, and it was 8 weeks recovery. There was no recovery. The injection that I got 3 years ago, I didn't feel it instantly. It took every day. I felt like it was better and better. And remember, I was not able to walk more than a half a mile, and every day it was getting better and better. And then I would say 10 days, I was able to run again. I actually did a triathlon in September of that year. And yeah, I recommend coming here and getting it done.